Just a question.
I'll find a way to do it. You want a house? I'll get you a house. You wanna get the fuck out of here? Get out of here. You know something, Luke? If you ride like lightning, you're gonna crash like thunder. You got a kid? You wanna provide for that kid? You gotta do that using your skill set. And your skill set? Very